Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my summer wash day routine. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So the line I'm going to be using for my summer wash day is going to be Creme of Nature's Clay and Charcoal line. So this is more of one of their newer lines, and it has activated charcoal, rosol and bentonite clay, and aloe vera juice. Now I haven't gotten the chance to use bentonite clay in my hair, and I really want to try this out because I know bentonite clay really helps to like restore your curls and make them more defined. So that's what I'm going for, because I want my wash and goes to be super popping this summer. I want them to be really defined, so I feel like this line could possibly aid in that. So it says to start off with their pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask, and this line has no mineral oil or petroleum. So yeah, it says to start with the pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. This is 11.5 ounce, and I'm just gonna look over the directions real quick, but it says it cleanses and infuses deep moisture, provides touchable softness, mineral rich formula, detoxifies by removing product buildup, which is good. I do have buildup from like my wash and goes, and it also helps to control frizz. All right, and it does say to start this off on dry hair. So before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on up to 10 minutes to absorb excess oils and impurities, and then rinse thoroughly with the shampoo and the conditioner. So there is only 3 products in this whole entire collection. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. It says this collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens, and revitalizes all hair types. All right, so let's get into the pre-shampoo mask. Right, here we go. I'm always excited to try new products, y'all. So this is more like a thick looking consistency. It kind of smells like a lotion. Wow. Okay, this feels just like a face mask, kind of like a charcoal face mask. That's what it feels like. Okay, I can feel the moisture right away. Feeling it. It's weird. This is something that I would want to apply on wet hair, but okay, it says to apply it on dry hair. You guys, this line is also targeted towards all hair types, and it's actually really affordable. Creme of Nature always has like super affordable products. They're usually like around $5.99, $6.99 per item. This product also has enough slip so you are able to finger detangle it throughout your head. Alright guys, so I applied it all over. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in my hair for 10 minutes like they said, and then we're gonna get into the shampooing process. But it really weighed my curls down, and this is how it's looking in my hair. Very interesting. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the pre-shampoo, and it took a few washes to get it out because it's such a thick product, but my curls feel so good and they look really defined and shiny and moisturized, and that's just off of the pre-shampoo. So it really was like a detox for my hair. So now I'm going to go in with the Soften and Moisture Replenish shampoo. The shampoo says it gently cleanses without stripping hair or natural moisture, conditions, controls frizz, and restores moisture. Nice lather right away. Definitely feels moisturizing. So much moisture. Oh, this shampoo has slip. It's crazy. Okay y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my hair, and then we're gonna come back and condition it. Okay guys, so the shampoo cleanses your hair really good without making it feel stripped, and it still has a ton of moisture in it, so my hair feels amazing. Here's a close-up. Feels really, really good. So now I'm going in with the Soften and Moisture Replenish conditioner. The conditioner helps to restore moisture and softness, control frizz, and enhance curl definition, and it enhances natural shine. Actually a little bit thicker. And this line does not have a deep conditioner, only a conditioner. So I can actually feel it softening my hair right away, so it's working pretty good. Now I'm just going to try to detangle my whole hair with the conditioner. Okay guys, it has pretty good slip and I'm able to detangle with it, so thumbs up. I'm just going to continue detangling my head all over now. Okay guys, so I just finished detangling my whole head. My hair feels amazing. It's super soft, but it's also very moisturized feeling. These line of products really work good with detoxing your hair and making your pattern come out and really just removing that buildup. My hair, since I've been doing wash and goes, I feel like it's had a lot of buildup on it, and I feel like I haven't been able to see my true pattern. Like for a moment I was feeling like my curls were starting to get really weighed down and kind of damaged looking, but now that I've used like these detoxifying products, I can really see my curls swelling up and like my kinkier areas looking kinky again, and like I don't know, they're just like really revived and I can see my true pattern again. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this on. It did say for about 5 minutes. I'm probably going to leave it on for that amount of time. I'm just going to take a quick little shower, rinse it out, and then I'll show you guys what my results are looking like. And for today, I'm basically just going to do one of my drawstring ponytails. You can check out my channel and see one of the tutorials for those. I love my drawstrings, especially in the summer. I use it as my little protective style. So yeah, so far I'm in love. Okay guys, so this is my hair after rinsing out the product. My hair is feeling so good. It feels really soft, moisturized, and hydrated, and my curls just overall feel really refreshed and renewed. It really helped remove all that product buildup, so my hair is actually feeling very light and fluffy and soft, like I did say before. It overall just feels really amazing. So this is how my hair is looking. I still have some frizz, but overall the way my hair is actually feeling, it feels good. It feels like I got a new fresh head of hair and it's ready to take on anything now. I feel like I'll have some pretty good wash and goes and like easier styling processes now that I have all that build up off of my scalp and off of my hair. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed my summer wash day routine. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.